Imagine a factory where machines think, robots work non-stop, and artificial intelligence makes decisions faster than humans ever could. No noise, no chaos, just perfect coordination. Welcome to the Smart Factory, where AI, robots, and automation are transforming how products are made. In today's video, we'll take you inside a fully automated smart factory, step by step, from raw materials to final packaging, and discover how artificial intelligence and robots are shaping the future of manufacturing. Stay with us till the end, because this technology is changing industries forever. A smart factory is not just a factory with machines. It's a digital ecosystem where machines communicate, analyze data, and improve themselves automatically. Unlike traditional factories that depend heavily on human labor, smart factories rely on artificial intelligence, robotics, Internet of Things (IoT), big data, and cloud computing. Every machine is connected, every process is monitored, every decision is data-driven. This is manufacturing that thinks, learns, and adapts. Artificial intelligence acts as the brain of the smart factory. AI systems analyze production speed, machine performance, energy consumption, product quality. If a machine slows down, AI detects the problem before a breakdown happens. AI can predict machine failures, maintenance schedules, material shortages, production delays. This is called predictive maintenance, and it saves millions of dollars every year. In a smart factory, AI never sleeps. It learns continuously and becomes smarter with every production cycle. Now, let's talk about the robots. Industrial robots handle tasks like cutting, welding, assembling, painting, packaging. Unlike humans, robots work 24/7, never get tired, maintain perfect accuracy. Collaborative robots, also known as cobots, work safely alongside humans. They assist with heavy lifting, repetitive tasks, and precision work. Each robot follows AI-generated instructions and adjusts its movements in real time. This is teamwork between humans and machines. In a smart factory, raw materials arrive with digital tracking. AI-powered systems scan materials, verify quality, measure weight and size, assign storage locations automatically. Automated guided vehicles, or AGVs, transport materials across the factory floor without drivers. Sensors guide them, avoid obstacles, and choose the fastest routes. No delays, no confusion, just perfect logistics. This is where the magic happens. The production line operates with robotic arms, conveyor systems, vision cameras, AI-controlled machines. Every product moves seamlessly from one stage to another. AI adjusts speed, temperature, pressure, timing. If a defect is detected, the system stops the process, removes the faulty product, corrects the issue instantly. Human supervisors monitor everything through digital dashboards. Efficiency reaches levels impossible in traditional factories. Quality control in smart factories is handled by AI vision systems. High-resolution cameras scan each product in milliseconds. AI checks for size defects, color variations, surface damage, assembly errors. The accuracy is far beyond human inspection. Defective products are automatically rejected, ensuring zero compromise on quality, minimal waste, maximum customer satisfaction. This is precision manufacturing at its best. Once products pass inspection, they move to automated packaging. Robots box products, seal packages, print labels, sort shipments. AI systems decide packaging type, storage location, shipping priority. In smart warehouses, robotic systems stack, retrieve, and load products with extreme accuracy. Everything is tracked in real time. Smart factories offer massive advantages: faster production, lower costs, higher quality, reduced waste, improved worker safety. Workers shift from manual labor to monitoring, programming, and innovation. Manufacturing becomes cleaner, safer, and smarter. Smart factories powered by AI and robots are no longer science fiction. They are already shaping the future of global manufacturing. The question is not if this technology will take over. The question is how fast. If you enjoyed this deep dive into smart manufacturing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the future of factories.